make your laptop sound louder. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing a common problem that many laptop users face. If you ever struggle to hear your favorite music or video on your laptop, then this video is for you. We'll be sharing some useful tips to make your laptop sound louder. The first thing you can do to boost the sound of your laptop is to check the sound settings. To do this, it's simple. Click on the speaker icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on the sound option and make sure the volume is turned up. You can also adjust the sound balance and enhance the bass using the equalizer settings. But not just talking, let's show you how. So for that, we are going to the right corner right here on the sound option icon. Click with the right button, go to Open Sound Settings, and then we are going to look for App Volume and Device Preference, right there. Here in this screen, we are going to put all the volumes on the max. That usually is the issues of the many computers that comes to my assistance. So make sure everything is the max option. So you put everything on the max. There is another option as well, that is use external speakers. If you're not satisfied with the volume output from your laptop built speakers, you can always connect the external speakers. You can connect them via Bluetooth or a 3.5mm jack. External speakers not only produce better sound quality, but also have a higher volume output. The tip number 3 is use headphones. If you don't have external speakers or you don't want to disturb those around you, using headphones can be a great solution. Headphones have a direct and more focused sound output, which means you can enjoy better sound quality and volume without disturbing anyone else. But thinking that even if you have all the things that I told and still is a very low volume, let's continue to the tips that can be helpful for you. Another solution to make your laptop sound louder is to use sound amplifier software. There are several free software programs available online that increase the volume output of your alarm, and you just have to make sure to download them from a trusted source to avoid any malware or virus. But there is as well an option in the Windows itself. For that, we are going to the right corner, right there, on the sound icon. Click with the right button and go to Sounds. Then what we are going to do is go to Playback, look for your speaker, click with the right button, go to Properties, and now we are going to Levels. Make sure everything here is 100%. Click here on Balance. See if the left side is 100% and the right side is 100% as well. Click OK and go to Enhancements. Here on Enhancements, we are going to click on the Bass Boost, Louds and Equalization, and go to Apply. Then we are going to Advanced. Here in Advanced, we are going to choose the best quality possible, and the studio quality was right here. With the options chosen, we are going to apply and OK. If this method worked for you, if any of the methods that I told you worked for you, please leave a comment below telling me which one helped you. The tip number 5 is actually to clean your laptop speakers. Sometimes this is the problem. Lastly, if you try all of the above options that I told you, and your laptop sound still seems low, it might be time to clean the speakers. Dust and debris can accumulate in your laptop speakers over time, which can affect the sound output. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the speakers gently. As I said, there are several possible reasons why your laptop sound may be low. The most common reason for low sound on laptop is the volume settings may be set too low. And the second one is audio driver issues. If your laptop audio drives are outdated or corrupted, it can cause low sound. You can try updating the audio drivers to see if that solves the issue. For that, we are going to the window, Device Manager, we are going to write that. Then with this screen opened, we are going to Audio Inputs and Outputs. Then you are going to our speaker. Click with the right button and update drive. Search automatically for drives. The best drive for me is already installed, but for you, it may be not. You can also put on a search for updated drives on Windows Update. It can help you a lot as well, so try that. If this video helped you, please leave a comment below. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. There will be a part 2 of this video with more solutions. Please stay tuned on our channel. That way you won't lose any video that will come up. Thank you for watching till here, and I'll see you in the next video.